In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop payment on a check in Bank of America online banking. First, sign in to your online banking the way you normally do. Because timing is critical with stop payments, it's best to do this as soon as you realize you need to cancel a check. If you use the mobile app, the steps are very similar, but I'll describe the web experience for clarity. Once you're in, choose the account the check was written from. This is important. Stop payments only work when you select the exact account that issued the check. If you have multiple checking accounts, take a moment to double check you've picked the right one to avoid delays or an unsuccessful request. Now, navigate to the accounts menu and look for information and services. Inside that section, find the option labeled Stop Payment on a Check. The wording may vary slightly depending on updates to the site, but it will be in that general area dedicated to account services. You'll be prompted to provide specific details about the check, enter the check number, the exact dollar amount, the date on the check, and the payee. Accuracy really matters here. The system uses this information to identify the exact check to block, so make sure the amount and payee match what appears on the check itself. If you're unsure about the number or date, refer to your checkbook register or your transaction history if it has already been recorded online. A mismatch can cause the stop payment to fail. After you've filled in the details, review everything carefully and submit your request to confirm. You should see a confirmation on screen. If a confirmation or reference number is provided, save it for your records. It's a good idea to monitor your account over the next few days to ensure the check doesn't clear. Keep in mind, if the check has already been paid, a stop payment can't reverse it, which is why acting quickly gives you the best chance of success. If you prefer not to do this online, you have alternatives. You can call the bank's customer service using the official number listed on their website or the number on the back of your debit card, or you can visit a local branch and request a stop payment in person. In any case, be prepared with the same check details. Note that stop payment requests may involve a fee, and there may be terms or time limits on how long the stop payment remains in effect. If you're unsure, review the fee schedule or ask a representative for specifics. Acting promptly and entering precise details are the keys to a successful stop payment.